All over the United States, school districts are being asked and required by federal and state mandates to implement school counseling programs for mental health services and safety violence protocols. The school counseling services program that's been implemented at talkifyouwant.com, now approaching its 14th year, is probably one of the only school counseling programs that has 8-year program evaluations, looking at its efficacy in key areas. School counseling programs are not something that school districts are customarily trained at implementing. Many districts in the United States do not even have a gun safety or a safety risk assessment protocol. With the school counseling program from talkifyouwant.com, there are 2 ways to implement the program. 1, school districts simply purchase the entire protocol and ask their own counseling services programs on-site to implement it according to its structures. talkifyouwant.com professionals can support the school district with professional development training for teachers, administrators, staff, and even parents. The school counseling program can also be implemented as a subcontract, where we implement everything and provide the on-site services every single week throughout the year. Those services are modified according to the specific requests of the school district. One of the features of the school counseling program is that it uses digital server technology for Hipaa compliance with mental health records. These records are separate from the FERPA-related requirements and from the Right to Information Act requirements that are often a part of public and private school district communications. The on-site server also provides a way for the on-site program, whether it's implemented by the district or by the school counseling services program professionals at Talk If You Want, to send text messages every week before sessions occur, which enables parents and family members to be more engaged with the program. School counseling services include on-site critical incident services and a number of training options for dropout prevention, drug education, appropriate sexual boundaries, and a myriad of other special services, such as de-escalating negative behavior in the classroom and other services. If you're interested in learning more about this full program, please look at the talkifyouwant.com website, and the entire protocol is available there. If you have additional questions or concerns, please contact me. For more information about the School Counseling Services Program, go to the talkifyouwant.com homepage, and from the toolbar, scroll over to B2B, which is business to business. Scroll down to on-site school counseling, and you'll be taken to the School Counseling Program section of the website. In this section, you'll find the video that you're watching now, here. You'll also find a School Shooting and Violence Emerging Protocol. In this protocol, which is an updated and draft version, school programs are able to utilize this protocol to assess risks of violence in a school setting, actions to take and not take, when to take them, who has to be reported, and escape plan strategies, assessments to when somebody needs to be committed, a contract for safety that can be completed between a on-site provider and youth with related information, a contact and a protocol to follow in the case of an actual safety risk, what assessment needs to be done and when, and the actual protocol. In addition, from the School Counseling Services Program, there are several other links. The protocol itself is documented here. Summarizes the overall protocol from its origins. This program is one of the few, if not one of the only in the U.S. of school counseling programs on site that has program evaluations. This extensive document covers the various modifications of the program over the years, and it is modified to the school request. And it includes the entire protocol for the on-site services. All documentation are included, and modified to the school logo and branding, done through the digital services overlay, which is also linked here. This is a secure login site for both parents and youth and school personnel and the on-site counselor. Includes scheduling, login information, text messages are set to every week appointment for youth and families if those occur, contact information, the school website, and the homepage to the school counseling program. This all can be branded to the school district itself. So the server itself is a mechanism to help schools and the counseling program comply with mental health components without conflicting with FERPA and right to information components. Logins for teachers and parents and students and the counselor can be limited to certain aspects of the portal such that privacy is not violated. While you're here, you can learn about other programs that are offered and included with the school counseling program, a link to the Dropout Prevention Services program with a summary of how the program is implemented, the 10 and 12-week on-site services that are applied to the classrooms, the presentation itself for professional development, the referral forms. Other information can be found on this section of the website as well. Not only dropout prevention, but de-escalating behavior in the classroom. This is about helping teachers and students deal with escalations, when to involve other parties, and includes the article itself on what happens with an out of instructional control youth and how those matters can be dealt with in the school setting. The data analysis of the school counseling program. The first years of the program are actually available through the website itself. All the sections that are evaluated each year, number of youth referred, demographics, etc., etc. This is an online version of the PDFs that are generated. The PDFs that are generated each year can be used for grant writing and grant funding. This summarizes how the school counseling program works in key areas, which has been implemented in as many as 8 to 7 different schools, 2 different school districts, varying school administrators, teachers, and even different counselors using different program models. The key components of its success are highlighted in the actual protocol. This is the video that's used for the introduction seminar for on-site schools, where teachers and parents and youth get a summary of how it works, what can be done dealing with referrals, calling students out of the classroom, etc., etc. So, to learn more, go to the talkifyouwant.com website. Again, click B2B, business to business. Scroll down to on-site schools, and there you go.
Thank you for stopping by.